หลังจากเกิดดราม่าในเกมระหว่างสเปอร์กับลิเวอร์พูลในที่สุดทาง PGMOL เนี่ยก็ออกมาเปิดคลิปเสียงการสนทนาในห้อง VAR ให้ฟังกันแล้วซึ่งเนื้อหาจะเป็นอย่างไรลองไปฟังกันดูครับ
Oh good, both holding. Both holding.
Yeah. Leave it though.
Waiting, delaying, delaying.
Yes.
Give it.
Coming back for the offside, mate.
Just checking the offside delay. Give me kick point. Let's go.
Yep.
Kick point,
Yeah, no worries,
please.
mate.
So here we are.
Vicky. Wait, okay.
Just get a tight angle.
Yeah, give me 2D line ready as well for frame
Right,
2
so
after that. That's fine.
Frame 2 there.
Perfect.
I've got the time on this. I clocked
2D line on left boot.
Yep. Well, let me just
Romero,
switch
I think it
angles.
is.
I think it might be this angle better.
Hey,
Happy with
Okay.
this angle?
you
Yeah.
organise you, don't
Yep.
you?
2D line on the boot.
2D line on the boot.
Yep. Okay.
Wait, no, wait.
So 2D line on the boot.
And
I'll
stop.
zoom
Check
in.
complete. Check complete. It's fine. Perfect.
Yeah, yeah. Off. Thank you, mate.
Thank you, mate.
boys, good process,
The
carry
on-field
on.
decision was offside. Are you happy with this?
Yeah,
Are you happy with this?
offside
On-field,
decision, goal. Yeah, that's
Now
what it does.
What?
on-field decision was offside. Are you happy with this
Never
image?
getting there. It's fine.
Yes, onside. The image we given is
Yeah.
onside.
Left back.
He's played. He's
Yeah.
gone offside.
Out.
Delay.
Clear.
Ollie's saying to delay.
Plays
Ollie's saying to delay.
Red throw, red throw.
Pardon?
Ollie's calling in to say delay the game. To complete the
Yeah.
decision is offside.
Can't do anything.
Ollie's saying to delay.
Ollie?
Yeah. Yeah, go
Delay
on.
the game. To delay the game. Stop the game.
They've restarted the
Nothing
game.
from on the field.
Can't
Yeah,
do
they've
anything.
restarted. Yeah,
Can't do anything.
no.
I can't do anything. I
Right
can't do
back.
anything.
และนี่คือเสียงการสนทนาทั้งหมดที่ PGMOL ออกมาเปิดเผยให้ฟังกันครับเรียกได้ว่าเป็นความผิดพลาดที่ไม่น่าให้อภัยอย่างยิ่งทุกคนคิดเห็นอย่างไรกันบ้างคอมเมนต์มาคุยกันได้นะครับแล้วก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์กด Subscribe ให้กับ Isoon Channel ด้วยนะครับสวัสดีครับ